prepping my driveway for pavement. So they're putting down some compactable material, and then they're gonna roll it, compact it all down, and then tomorrow they pave. It's a badass machine. Getting the old driveway paved. It's a lot of really watching what they're doing, and you know, he's making all these fine little adjustments as they go. Can't be good for their lungs. Sitting here smelling this stuff every day. We spent about 3/4 of a day yesterday prepping, putting down compactable base and rolling it and everything, and then and today they're laying. They already got that section over there done. So they can't get the dump truck around the bend here, so he's having to go up and pick it up every time and then come back. Just kind of sucks, I guess, but it is what it is. This is so exciting. And then this weekend I'm going to start working on this roof. Getting a new roof too. Roof. Something like that. So here's how he's having to get the load. The guy didn't want to back into here, I guess. I don't know how much they got left. That's it. Pretty good. Almost looks too nice. All right, driveway is done. Excited to drive on it, but I'm gonna wait a little bit. So I got basically like almost 3 car spots over there. Come around, I got 2 spots here, and then basically 3 cars could fit up there. Plus still leave the circle open, so pretty sweet. Excited. I'm even excited about my little French drain I put in right there, or whatever you want to call it. Yeah. All right, so here is the final of the driveway. Absolutely love it. So tired of all of this sand. Just kept washing down and washing out in through here all the time, and just dragging sand in the house. And so if you're in Volusia County, M&S Paving, Juan and his crew did an awesome job. Getting ready to put my gate back up there. I got a nice tie into that property over there. So yeah, super happy with it. Took him about 2 kind of mid days, half days kind of. So, and it goes all the way around over there. So nice work, guys. And now I get to do this roof. I'm gonna start on this roof today. because insurance is insane. All right, here's my lake house. It's Wednesday, the day before we're supposed to get hit with Ian, this hurricane. So hopefully the house looks sort of like this when I come back on Friday. We're really not looking forward to having lots of damage, so that would suck. Bye.
Almost every building that we saw was damaged in some way. My daily residence there says the problem was that
Gonna get the stop
hours,
sign.
it was just the wind relentless. It was insane. The wind was the strongest anything I've ever seen. When we saw the cage starting to go, we started slicing the screen so it wouldn't the whole side of the house off. If you look around, some of the guys that didn't, their soffits and everything got torn down. It was really a tough scene there in Inglewood.
I can hear it in the voices. I know that many of these communities there were battered for like hours and hours.
Well, I've been back here 21 years and I've never seen the water come up this far before. Never seen Gary's dock underwater over there. And we actually pulled the jet skis up about 8-10 feet higher than the shore. We put them up as far as we could yesterday. And that ring right there is my fire pit. And the shore is, well, the shore is normally past the back of the jet skis right there, so it's normally right out in here somewhere. So that is a lot of water. The pontoon is just kind of floating out there. One rope holding it. Wow. So this tree has moved. It had about 3 or 4 inches gap there, and now it sucks. Lots of debris in the yard. This way. But no damage to the house. The roof's all there. Oh wow. Got a little tree action down over here. Well, it definitely cleans out the Spanish moss.
Yeah.
Oh boy, our kayak's about to float away down here. Well, I don't know where this water's gonna go. Well, the lake house has survived another hurricane. House was originally built in 1890. It's the Daytona Beach train station, moved out here in the 1950s. And it's been through a lot of storms, and it's survived again, even with those giant eaves. But lost a few tree branches. We got a worrisome tree here that we're not gonna walk under because it's looking a little dangerous. But other than that, I think we fared all right. A lot of cleanup.